Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2135 code? This code means there is a mismatch between the voltage signals from the throttle, pedal position sensor A and sensor B. If you ignore this issue, your vehicle may experience poor throttle response, reduced engine power, or enter limp mode. P2135 stands for throttle, pedal position sensor, switch A, B voltage correlation. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the signals from throttle position sensor A and sensor B do not agree with each other. The electronic throttle control system uses multiple sensors to verify throttle position. When the sensor readings do not match, the ECU limits engine power to prevent unsafe operation. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced engine power, poor acceleration, hesitation during driving, rough idle, and sometimes engine stalling. In many cases, the vehicle may also display a reduced engine power warning on the dashboard. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. The throttle position sensors A and B are usually built into the throttle body assembly. The accelerator pedal position sensor is located near the accelerator pedal inside the cabin. The wiring harness connects these components to the ECU and is exposed to heat, moisture, dust, and vibration. For quick diagnosis, start by checking live throttle position sensor data using an obd2 scanner. Then compare the readings from sensor A and sensor B to see if they match within specifications. Inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check the wiring harness for open circuits, short circuits, or poor ground connections. Also inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup that may affect throttle movement. If the sensor readings remain inconsistent, the throttle body assembly or related sensors may need replacement. Finally, repair any wiring issues, clean the throttle body if required, replace faulty sensors or the throttle body assembly if necessary, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2135 on time will restore proper throttle response, smooth acceleration, and reliable engine performance.